Welcome to my latest listing at 403 Colony Knoll Drive in San Jose. I'm Yuri with Compass, and I'm excited to share with you this rarely available ground floor single level home in Blossom Valley. Enjoy the convenience of attached two-car side-by-side garage, accessible from inside the home, and private enclosed outdoor patio. If the community greenbelt areas aren't enough, you will be just moments away from the trails, green space, and picnic areas of Martial Cottle Park. You can find all the details and information, including open house hours, on our property website at 403colonyknoll.com. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you at my open house.